OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection since 1984.
So we are getting ready to start a refinish on an old floor. This parquet engineered flooring is not original, but we're going to make it look great. When they built these houses, anything older than 1960, they put the original hardwood flooring in all the rooms except for the kitchen and bathrooms. Kitchen and bathrooms, they would do the half-inch plywood and linoleum. But this thing has been beaten up quite a bit. Goes into the closets. We've already got started. We've got vacuums on all the machines. Keep the dust down. But you're going to see a difference. We've already got started. So here's the big machine. So you can already see the difference. Another great job by OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection since 1984. Well, it's the end of the first day, and you can already see the difference. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors. About 850 square feet here, and we are 90% finished. Tomorrow we will start applying the polyurethane. Got a lot of cleaning to do. This floor is turning out very nice. There's a couple of areas in this front room from dog urine that is not going to come out. Those shadowy areas. The acid in the urine burns the wood all the way through. The only thing we could do, if it was just this one corner, you could take out a couple of pieces of boards, put them back in, no problem. But there's so many of them, the only thing you could really do is stain it a dark brown to hide it. And that's going to be up to the homeowner. Well, here we are, the second day, actually half of the second day. We are finished. What a difference a day makes. The old beat up parquet floor, beautiful. Everything. OnlyWoodFloors, specializing in perfection since 1984. Give us a call. We can do this to your house. What a difference. This floor is over 80 years old. See you on the next one.